If I were to tell you I'd like to talk about the dinosaur fossils known from the country of Costa Rica, your response should be, "You're lying. There are no dinosaur fossils known from Costa Rica." And the reason for this is because Costa Rica, as we know it, is younger than the dinosaurs. The dinosaurs became extinct 60 million years ago. At that point, Costa Rica and the rest of Central America were the bottom of the ocean. It was only in the Cenozoic era afterwards that the area of Central America began as a chain of volcanic islands, which were then elevated to become the land masses which joined North and South America. There are two tectonic plates in the area which are colliding, the Caribbean plate and the Cocos plate. And as they collide, the Cocos plate is driven under or subducted underneath the Caribbean plate. And as this occurs, the rock of the Cocos plate then reaches the Earth's mantle, where the lighter materials then heat and bubble up towards the surface, where they can contribute to volcanism and to mountain forming, as the area can be elevated sometimes with earthquakes. Costa Ricans are certainly aware of the volcanic nature of their country. They are surrounded by extinct volcanoes, potentially active volcanoes, and there are certain areas where signs advertise that in case of a volcanic eruption, this is the direction of the evacuation route. There are vents in the Earth's surface which create fumaroles, which allow volcanic gases to be vented. And so one can approach areas where steam seems to continually be rising from the Earth, and one can smell volcanic gases like hydrogen sulfide. The heat of the materials which are rising from the mantle can then heat water, which one can see in the bubbling of mud pots. And also, this can be taken advantage of not only for as an energy source, geothermal energy, but also for inhabitants and tourists in hot springs, where one can sit in pools where the water has been heated by volcanic activity. Thus, the formation of Costa Rica and the rest of Central America was a recent geological event that had two major consequences. First, it would allow a great faunal interchange, a great migration of animals from in between North and South America. So in North America today, there are animals such as the opossum, the porcupine, armadillos, which came from South America during this time. And then there are a whole host of animals in South America which had their origins in North America, whether this be dogs like foxes, or cats like jaguars and ocelots, or elephants and horses, which briefly migrated down before becoming extinct. So there was a great American interchange. Also, as the formation of Central America blocked a passage through which ocean currents could distribute ocean water and thus heat around our planet, this helped trigger the ice ages, which began shortly after Central America had joined the two Americas.